Hey guys, it's Crying Bear, back with another Animal Jam video, and today I am just going to be doing a video of giving random items to random jammers, because I've decided, because I have lots of stuff. I've been doing the Eagle Adventure lately, and I've actually been getting some things. So, without further ado, let's get into this video. Oh, and I'm trying to make as many videos as I can because, again, hurricanes are coming because it's hurricane season. So, let's get into the video. So, right now I'm in Alden and I'm finding some people, and I'm going to start with this penguin and see what I want on their trade and basically overtrade for it, and they'll be happy, I guess. I hope they're happy because, what do I want? You know, this is gonna take a long time. Let's speed this up. Okay, I found what I was going to trade them. So, let's do some rare non-member items and a member item, because when I was non-member, I didn't like it when people were like, let me give you some non-member items. I mean, you never know if this person can turn member. So we'll give them rare fox hat, rare back to school hat, rare backpack. And we'll also give them rare cat hat. Then we'll give them a member item. Maybe, let's see, rare princess hat and something else. Okay, like I really like this. I don't know if it's, I don't know. We'll give them a promo item. Let me see. Wind. I only have one. Barrette. I know I have a Barrette. Okay, so we're gonna give, let's speed this up too. Okay, so we're going to give this to them. I should cut that out, but I should leave it in. Okay, we're gonna give this to them, so we're gonna see what they think or say or bah. I'm sorry if that scared you. This is probably gonna scare me when I'm editing it because I have headphones on. So let's see. I've been trying to not breathe because this microphone picks up everything. So let's go. See? Okay, this person is probably AFK or BRB. Who has a blue long crew trade? Okay, this person has a neon bow already, so we'll just give it to. Okay, this person. Okay. Put something on trade. Okay, so we're just. Oh, how about new jammer? Oh, yeah. Here. Okay, cool. They have a necklace. Okay, let's give them some stuff to start out with. We won't give them the girly items. We'll give them. Please don't. I am new. Okay. I don't know if it's a girl or boy, but we will still donate. We'll give you this too. Actually, no, let's do one more item because I didn't put the lion's mane in there. So, how about, I want the army helmet though. Let's give you that. Okay. Good job. Thank you for the necklace. Okay. Okay. Where are you, Princess Cloud? Need to put something on your trade list? Stay in. Come to my den? Me? Oh my gosh. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You're welcome. You know, I can give them like a spike or something. Where's Cloud? Princess Cloud 04. I'm probably gonna like speed through all this. Who donated that? Me! I'll be your buddy for the, yeah, whatever. Okay. Because we have 1,000 buddies now, so I can be everybody's buddy. Okay, somebody's in my den. It's probably Cloud. No, it's New Jammer. Okay. So, if you guys want me to do that stuff to you, then you can put your username in the link in the description, and then maybe I'll do that to you. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and bye.